What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Northeast Productions. It's Cody. Today we're going to be putting this IRP clutch into our KTM 50 Mini. I pulled out of a senior we bought, had it rebuilt by IRP, which they are fantastic to work with. It was a one-day turnaround. They don't charge labor, they just charge the cost of parts. And it beats me messing with it and possibly messing it up. So let's get started. I managed to do that for the first time in my life without getting a single drop of oil on the floor. We're getting places. So now we need to get the Kickstarter off and the clutch cover. Now for the clutch cover, it's just these 4 8mm screws. Remember that long one goes top left. Now for this clutch assembly bolt, it's going to be hard to get out because you got to put something in to keep it from rotating the rear tire. So what I'm going to do is jam some paper towels into the front sprocket and hope that that works. Wait. I am doing nothing but a good job at really stripping that out. Luckily I have the one that comes with the IRP kit. So these Torx bolts are terrible. So I'm going to work on getting this out of here and trying not to get extremely frustrated. But that's how it goes working on dirt bikes. I'll be back. So don't do what I did, because I had to get this Dremel tool, and I stripped the Torx out, which I hate. Why they would even use Torx in here is beyond me. So I stripped that out, but I cut a slot in it. So I used my Tusk impact driver to loosen it up. Luckily I have another bolt that's going in there that came with the IRP, so we're not using that ever again. So once you get this out, the stock one will have this piece right here with 2 bearings on it. You take one of the bearings off, put in the spacer that comes with the IRP kit, run 1 bearing, slide that on there, then we can slide our full new clutch assembly on. Get our gears to line up. They're lined up, they'll be up here in the top. Get your spacer that the kit comes with. Put that on. And you can throw the cover on. Got all 3 of the plates lined up. Might have to wiggle it around a little bit. Gotta make sure all three are in there. So you want the skinny flat washer first, then you have a fatter cone washer. Got your bolt, Loctite on the bolt. Make sure that these times it's a little easier if you to the side a little bit. There, now it's fully flat on there. You have your flat washer, your cone washer, and some Loctite on the bolt. Tighten that up. And I will torque everything off camera. Now, another thing to keep in mind with this IRP clutch, it calls for 350 ml of oil instead of the stock 200. I got her Tusk funnel here. Let's get her full so we can do a first start and see if we can tell a difference just sitting on the stand. IRP clutch is in. I only got minorly frustrated with that bolt, but just take your time with the stock bolt because it will strip out pretty easy. Why they use those Torx bits on these KTMs is beyond me. So I'm Team Yamaha, but here we are. Got a graphics kit installed yesterday. Looking pretty sharp. We're excited for the first race. I'm excited for the snow to be gone to get him on this thing. But stay till the end. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. I'm trying to get better at making these, and I can already notice a huge difference between the stock and the IRP. The IRP allows it to roll a little bit still, but the stock on the second leg go is just done.